trying to get ready to give. If you ask me one more time about my best options, you know what I'm going to do? Where are you located at? You're where? Well, you know what? I'm in Morristown, Tennessee, and it won't take me about 18 hours to come out there and just jerk a knot in your hind end if you don't get me off of this. You're driving me crazy. I've never in my life had to try to get rid of something like this before. This is crazy. I'm fixing. You got me disconnected with my service. Everything, listen to me. You listen to me. Everything but my home service, 585-5802, has been disconnected. Is that right? Okay, sir, let me tell you what. It best be disconnected in the next 10 minutes at the most. I'm telling you that. Because I've tried and I've tried and I've tried. It's pitiful. So, I'm disconnecting my service for the last time for my 2 mobile phones and my jetpack. I do not want it. And you write down on your screen whatever you want to write down. It don't make no difference to me. I'm telling you, this is crazy. Are you through? Because I'm fixing to hang up. You don't have to advise me of nothing. I know what I'm doing. I'm old enough to know. I'm not a little kid. Okay, let me tell you what. I've told this is the last time I'm telling you. You best, and that is with a big B-E-S-T, disconnect my service. Hey, listen, you listen to me. You are driving me crazy, and I don't know who your boss is, but I'm not going there. I'm not paying no bill after this day. You do whatever tickles you, because I'm not doing it. I've tried and tried to. I don't want no disclosures. I know what I'm doing. Tell them yeah. And you're making me raise my voice, and you're making me mad. I'm usually not this type of person. Let me tell you what, my battery's fixing to go dead because I've been talking to y'all so long. And you don't have to give me no disclosures. I understand what I'm a-doing. I'm in my right mind. Evidently, you all don't know what you're doing because I've been trying to tell you what I want. And you know what? Your proper procedure you can do with it, don't you? That's what the other lady told me. How many times have you told me that? Okay, you just tell me whatever you need to tell me. You just go ahead and read your little script off. Whatever you gotta say, you say it.
Yes, ma'am. Now, of course, your device will stop working sometime after 7:30 p.m.
I know that.
Last day of your billing cycle.
No, it needs to be today. Not at my billing cycle.
Today?
Huh? You better make it happen today. You disconnect my service today. I don't care what the billing cycle is. Today is the 21st of June, and I'm not paying a dime for nothing after this day.
I understand. Now, the reason why that this line will disconnect at the end of the cycle
No.
is because the first month of service, when you pay for service, you pay for a month in advance.
Well, you know what? Then you all owe me money then. You will owe me money. If you're you're driving me
The
crazy.
thing is, with the disconnection item, actually, these are legal disclosures that we have to process for a type of disconnection that we do through with the company.
You know, that's crazy.
But it will end.
God. Why are you doing this to me? I don't understand.
Hang up on.
I'm not trying to do anything additional for you. I'm not trying to cause you any more frustration, get you upset. It's just the way that the cancellations happen with us.
Okay, for the last time.
Cancellation will happen on the 20th of July.
No, sir, it won't either. I'm telling you, and you can tell whoever's over you, it's not going to know 20th of July. No. And I will not pay it either. So, I mean, you tell whoever you've got to tell, well, that's about crazy. Why would I want to pay for something that I'm not even a user? You tell me.
Well, the service will stay active up until that day.
No, I don't want that service active. Did you hear what I said? You know what? Listen, let me tell you something. You listen to me. If I could climb through this file, you know what I'd do to you right now? You better not. This is the end of this conversation. I want my service disconnected the 21st of June on everything that we have with Verizon except for my landline at my home, and that number is 585-5802. And anything else that is I'm going to be charged for, I'm not paying a dime for it. I don't care what your disclosure says, I am not paying for it. I understand that I'm breaking my contract and I will pay that, but nothing other than that. Now, do you understand what I'm saying?
The next one that's going to come up is going to have your services up to the 20th of June. This next month from the 21st of June to the 20th of July.
I'm not doing it.
During that time,
I don't want
it's
it.
already been paid for, so you're not paying anything extra.
Okay, I don't want your service, I don't want nothing, and if it was my choice, I wouldn't even keep what I've got. Because, buddy, I've went around and around with you all this morning. And I do not, you can take the money where I have paid up until my next billing cycle, the 20th of July, and that can go toward where I broke my contract, and then we can be even.
Well, it does actually go towards the contract, and there'll be another month completed, so it does reduce.
Well, it should.
Yearly termination fee.
It should. But I don't want nothing new.
But